but that's what happened, and I think it's kind of funny. Seriously, if you're
holy shit!
When are you going to sell tickets? What are you going to sell tickets for? Does anybody really want to see this team?
What are you fucking doing?
FM 105.9 Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania filed an application.
Willis, do you think they bothered to watch?
Yeah, I don't think anybody's watching the game.
Whereas, like, the quarterbacks are coming out next year, for that matter, Kenny Pickett.
Because you know how to pick them. You know how to keep them. You're the expert. We just sell parts. You pull and pay auto parts. Keep them. Drive a line.
Matt Williamson about everybody's trying to find the next depot. Just heard from Matt Williamson about the changing plate tectonics of the National Football League salary cap.
Did I break your equipment? Oh, I'm sorry. Next time you threaten to sue me, just do it. I want someone to...
ADHD, Diet HD, or Snapple Apple Tea at your local retailer. Scoops it in the air over the head of Rasmussen. That's saying something because Michael Rasmussen is 6'6", and it bounces into the Red Wing end. Kicks back here into Detroit territory by Raquel. Foul by DeKaiser. He comes behind the net. And Danny DeKaiser will set up shop here as the Red Wings change the...
We rehearsed, and we lived behind a dry cleaner, not the whole dry cleaner, the back half of it on sleeping bags. We rehearsed nonstop.
Last night, that Kane goal was just 25 seconds later, so they've allowed a goal within 2 minutes of scoring a goal 11 times. 8 of those 11 came within 1 minute, and 5 of those 11 came within 30 seconds.
That bus way jumped that light.
From your desktop or your smartphone. Schedule on demand. You can meet with a state licensed doctor.
Oh no, you living on the moon ass radio, only listening to us. And everybody getting talking.
To do what I love to do. This is the most sincere answer. All jokes aside, I am grateful for amazing, amazing fans, now 3 generations of them. I hit that stage as I'm
tweeting out that famous photo of Mario Lemieux standing and applauding Guy Lafleur. Tonight he got his 1,000 points. He's waving to the crowd. Mario is great. Casey Dust from Gensel, from Casey Smith, especially if he's going to be playing in that. But I'm not quite to the point yet where
jump in next. Don't ever get my spit. And bury that nonsense. Take a shot at
Discover music, radio, and podcasts you'll love. Mornings with the Woody Show. Is it okay to walk a cat outside on a leash?
Detroit Red Wings have second win in a row. Overall,
Broadcast for free from your computer, tablet, or mobile device. Catch the latest in high school sports news along with scores, stats, standings, and so much more. The official streaming network of the WPIX.
Right here. And roll the pants.
To deceive Villarreal, but I'm not complaining, even though I kind of... What if they make the Champions League final? And that's a long way away, and I'm taking nothing for granted, but...
They wanna lie to me.
I don't know who's the one that wanna bite on me.
Atlantic City, I think, in August for Rod Stewart. So I got a lot of stuff planned. Should be good. If I live long enough to do all of it. Which at this point, who knows? We got Mark Cavalli talking draft at the bottom of the hour. It's been Brian in Washington. Brian early.
Track this afternoon, a high of 61. Partly cloudy tonight, dropping to 46. Partly cloudy early tomorrow, then overcast in the afternoon with a high of 68.
It's a real U-turn, but I'm ignoring that.
QC Kinetics for a free consultation and free second opinion. Learn more about these amazing natural biologic treatments. Enjoy this time of year doing what you love. Call QC Kinetics 724.
It was just $40 alone, just those two.
You know, that's why the system is what it is, and it's why it works.
It's sitting in my basement, that's why I never remember. Because it's in a box.
Go ahead. I'd be scared.